Good morning, friends. Welcome to Adda 24/7. We are in Achievers MCQ series for retail banking and wealth management, and today's topic is objective questions on CIBIL. Very important topic because CIBIL is the topic which is of prime importance in today's banking as well as in your JAIIB exams. Follow this video till the end. Firstly, download Adda 24/7 app on your mobile. In this app, you will be getting all the premium study materials, e-books, live classes, tests. So what all you need for clearing JIB, you will be getting it. All the 4 compulsory subjects. Okay. Now, here the dates for this JIB are out. For those who don't know. Okay. Registration dates also started. See here, right now we are in this zone 8 to 14th with rupees 100. Okay. Then you have again third zone 15 to 21 with rupees 200 extra. Check this on your site. Okay. And also look at the exam dates 7/5, 13/5, 14/5 and 21/5. You don't have many days gap for accounts. Accounts is kept immediately after PPB. So that's why focus more on account. That's why I'm saying join the batches ASAP. Okay. Subscribe to Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel. In this channel you will be getting 2 things. Number 1, latest updates on all JIB and CIB points from IIBF. Second, YouTube series on all the topics of JIB and CIB. Okay. Free YouTube series. So whatever is free, grab it fast, isn't it? Subscribe to the channel, click on the bell icon. These are the 2 new batches. Okay, just now started. Join them ASAP. Selection batches. Okay, why? Because as I told you, portions are new, subjects are new, 4 compulsory subjects. So you'll be needing a guide, a mentor, and 80% off is going on right now. See this. Everyone pay attention. 80% off. 80%. And for Mahapacks you are having double validity. Double validity for Mahapacks. Okay, what is the Mahapack? Mahapack means 12 plus 15 plus batches per subject. Okay, 15 plus batches per subject, that is Mahapack. Means PPB 15 plus, IFS 15 plus, similarly accounts and retail banking 15 plus batches per subject. Not a joke. Okay, with 80% off. Use the code Y432. What is the schedule of today's sessions? Here, what is CIBIL, functions and responsibilities, and then we'll go for the objective question. So very action packed, very knowledgeable. Let's start. CIBIL, Credit Information Bureau of India Limited. See here, this is CIBIL. This is the full form of CIBIL. It might be asked to you in exam. Credit Information Bureau of India Limited, CIBIL. It is a privately owned company. Remember this. This is an important part. It's not a government company. It's a privately owned company which collects credit information on over 140 million credit card holders and loan takers. So it this collects the information of various credit cards. What is a credit card? Credit card is a loan after all, isn't it? So from various loan holders it is gathering the information. The company was originally promoted by SBI. HDFC means Housing Development and Finance Corporation. This is a private company. Okay, SBI is a nationalized bank. Dun & Bradstreet Information Services India Private Limited, again private company. And TransUnion International Incorporation, that is again a private company. These all are foreign companies, Dun & Bradstreet and TransUnion. Okay, do you know something about Dun & Bradstreet? See here, CIBIL is the first Indian company for giving this credit information. Okay, but do you know which is the world's first? Who had invented the world's first credit information company? India, as you know, CIBIL. But what about worlds? So that is the point. That's the importance of DNB, Dun & Bradstreet. Dun & Bradstreet was a company who had invented the first credit information company in the world. So such is a big and old company. This is very good company. Okay, TransUnion, again a credit information company. So this CIBIL is formed by the group of these companies: SBI, HDFC, DNB and TransUnion. Okay. CIBIL is India's first credit information bureau. The Credit Information Bureau was formed on the basis of recommendation of the working group constituted by RBI. So this bureau was formed on the recommendations of RBI. Okay. The bureau provides both positive and negative information about the borrowers. So both positive and negative, this is important. So see, positive information is okay, but why negative information? So that the banker can know whom not to give the loan, which empowers lenders in assessing the credit worthiness of the potential customers, right? So if I have positive information about some client as well as a negative, I can know whether that customer is liable or credit worthy or not. CIBIL shares the relationship with all banks based on the concept of sharing. Okay, so sharing means you share information with me, I'll share data with you. That's the basic thing. So all the banks are working with CIBIL on this basis only. The bank shares the data of their customers with CIBIL, and CIBIL shares the data of all the customers with the banks. They collate the credit information available from all financing institutions which are its members. Now remember, it's mentioned over here financing institutions. It's not mentioned banks. Why? Because CIBIL collects the information not only from banks. It collects from NBFCs. It collects from online lenders. It collects from credit cards. Everyone it collects. Anyone who is lending it in any sort, the information is collected. Okay. CIBIL is a composite credit bureau which will cater to both commercial and consumer segments. Here, CIBIL is not only related to individual, it is commercial also, businesses also it is catering to. See here. So look at these two parts. The consumer credit bureau covers credit taken by the individuals. Consumer means individuals, while commercial credit bureau will cover credit taken by non-individuals like partnership firms, proprietary, public and private limited companies. Okay. So commercial will deal with companies, consumer will deal with individuals. Clear concept? See, the concept should be clear and it should be the block level things should be in your mind. Okay. Type yes in the comment section if you have understood up till now. Everyone type yes. Okay. Let me come to the batches again. See this. 4 subjects. Earlier there were only 3. Now 4, and 2 of them are new. Retail banking and wealth management and Indian economy and financial system. These 2 are new. PPB and accounts, although old, the portion has changed. So that's why you will definitely need a guide, a mentor. So that's why I'm saying join the batches. And right now you are getting this off also, right? 80% off as I told you earlier. And that Mahapack double validity. So that is also available. Use this as much as possible. 80% is not a joke. You will see at the end I'll show you how to use this code and how to get this 80% off, and you will see the discounts available. Okay. Let me go to the question time now. So question time. A high CIBIL score, credit score essentially means dash probability of a default. Give me the answer. Means if somebody's CIBIL score is high, very high, then is that person good or bad for loan? So it gives high probability of default, less probability of default, no relation, and cannot say. So it gives less probability of default. The more the score, CIBIL score, the better the customer is. Less will be the default from that customer's end. The practice of checking CIBIL score personally is a dash, means it's called as dash, whereas opposed to the credit card issuers asking CIBIL for your score. Means if some credit card company is asking for your CIBIL score, it is called as what? And when I am personally checking my CIBIL score, it is called as what? Soft inquiry, hard inquiry. Means personally is soft, credit card company is hard. Good inquiry, bad inquiry. Personally is good, credit card company is bad. Cold inquiry, hot inquiry. Personally is cold and credit card company is hot. And none of these. So what is the correct answer over here? As per the RBI's parlance or RBI's terms. Many of you get confused between cold and hot and soft and hard. Okay. Good and bad is obviously everyone knows not a right answer. The correct answer is this: soft inquiry and hard inquiry. When I do my personal CIBIL check, it is called as soft inquiry. When a credit card company does a personal CIBIL check, it is called as hard inquiry. Got it, everyone? Clear? See here, the term should be clear to you. In soft inquiry, if I do, there are very less chances my CIBIL score gets affected. But if there is a frequent hard inquiry from credit card companies, it means that I am applying for various loans in various companies. It means what? I am a credit hungry person. That is always bad. Okay? If someone do not borrow, you do not have a credit history, and therefore no credit bureau can assign you the score. So suppose if I am a person, I have not borrowed anything up till now. Anything. No record, no nothing. So what will be my CIBIL score? See here, CIBIL score comes when I borrow some loan over there and I don't pay or I pay. That is the case. If I pay regularly, good CIBIL score. If I don't pay, bad CIBIL score. But if I don't borrow, then what? Then am I the best person in the world? But there is a problem over here. So the Credit Information Bureau will not be able to give any information about me because I haven't borrowed at all. So you might find it easy to get a loan. Option number A. Option number B, you might find it difficult to get a loan. No effect, none of the above. So what can be the answer? Will I find it easy to get a loan or difficult? The correct answer is this. You might find it difficult to get a loan. So that's why borrowing is always okay, but you should pay it on time. Okay? For those who have not borrowed at all, the credit score does not, the company doesn't give any credit score. Okay? For that we have something called as now account aggregator that is coming up in banking now. Very good concept. Okay? I'll take someday other lecture on this account aggregator. Okay? What is the minimum CIBIL score? Means I have a worse CIBIL score. Worst. I have not repaid any loan, nothing. So what is my CIBIL score then? 200? No. Not 200. Minimum is 300. Always remember. My minimum CIBIL score, let me be any worst customer. My CIBIL score will always be 300. Okay? Max to max. What is the maximum CIBIL score? Means I am the best customer. I have done everything correctly. What is the maximum CIBIL score I can get? Everyone, yes? Now it is 900. Maximum CIBIL score is 900. Got it? Everyone, pay attention to these numbers. These are asked in exam. Okay? What is a good CIBIL score? Now it depends on bank to bank. See here. Minimum 300, maximum 900. Between that, it depends on bank. But generally, it is considered as B and C. 7 to 8 and 8 to 9. Anyone who is having above 700 CIBIL score is considered as a good. So the answer is B and C. Okay. For how many years does CIBIL keep a track of defaulters? Now this why I have marked it red, this question, because this is a unique question. And you will definitely, there are more chances of this question coming into the exam. For how many years does CIBIL keep a track of the defaulters? 7 years from the date of last report, 5 years from the date of last report, 3 years and 10 years from the date of last report. So what is the correct answer? It is 7 years. Okay, the correct answer is 7 years. That's why I am telling you, join the batches. We are covering many important points over here. Okay. Now let me show you how to go use this code and get this 80% off. Okay. Let's go to Adda 24/7 live. Okay. Let me come to Adda 24. If you are having the app, I would suggest go on the app, isn't it? In the app, you are getting 1% extra due to the coin system. In the coin system, you get 1% extra. Okay. Okay. Let me show you. See this over here. Yeah. Once you go to Adda 24/7 live, you will see here on the front page itself, you will see JAIIB, CIB Mahapack, JAIIB batches, CIB batches. Okay. Now click on JAIIB. Okay. Let me show you. Click on JAIIB 23. Okay. You will see the batches over here. All the batches, bilingual, English. Click on the English batch. Starting just now started. Okay. Click on the English batch. Immediately you'll see the details of the batch. Details means what? what are the dates, what are the timings, how many days the batches are there. You will get the study plans. Importantly, I'll tell you, recorded videos of 24/7 are available. Ebooks are available. Interactive live classes are available. So you're getting everything, isn't it? Yeah. Click on the offers. Look at the fees, 19,999. Click on view offers. Put the code Y432. Click on apply. Look at this, 19,999 reduces to 3,999.80. Such a huge discount, you are getting 80% off. And in Mahapacks, I would suggest go for the Mahapacks. In Mahapack, what happens? You get 15 plus batches per subject. Okay, see this, let me show you. Let's go to Mahapack. Again, go to the front page. In the app, you are directly get the Mahapacks. JAIIB, CIBIL, Mahapack. Click on this JAIIB ka Mahapack, or even you can click on JAIIB, CIBIL Mahapack. Okay, because this will be used for both, for JAIIB as well as CIBIL. Let me show you this only, JAIIB, CIBIL Mahapack. See this, it is used for both. Means it is a 24-month validity. 24 months is a huge time. In 6 months you will clear JAIIB, and remaining 18 months you will get it for CIB. You will see this, 15 plus batches for ABM, this JAIIB basically, and 15 plus batches for CIB. Then 500 plus case study batches, 300 plus 30 plus full length mock tests. Okay, of course you can go on reading. Recorded videos are available here for all the batches. Click on view offers, put the code Y432, click on apply. Look at this, 53,996 reduces to 10,799, that also for 24 months. Less than rupees 20 per day, less than, and it's an investment for lifetime. Okay, go for it immediately, I would say. Okay, because once you clear the JAIIB, in how many days will you recover this? That's why I suggest you'll go for this immediately. I'll be back tomorrow with another series. Till then, bye. But I would again suggest join the batches, because the discount offer doesn't come every now and then.